Hello guys, welcome to my video. Today I'm going to show you how to navigate such an intersection should you find yourself in this scenario. Now let's say you are traveling on the road going about your very day and you find yourself in such a predicament as shown by that diagram. Now to safely navigate this roundabout, you need proper knowledge of the road rules concerning a roundabout. And I'm going to be talking about that right in this video, so don't go anywhere. Kindly make sure you watch this video to the very end to find out which car will be the last to go at this roundabout so that you won't make any unwanted mishaps on the road. But before we get into it, please take a moment to support us by subscribing to this channel and hitting on that bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future video. As always, I'm going to give you a bit of time so that you may try to figure out the correct answer to this question. Kindly write your answer in the comment section, and you are free to pause the video should you require more time. You have 10 seconds to think about it, and your 10 seconds starts now. Good luck. Hello, welcome back. Surely hoped you have selected the correct answer. Now let's discuss. We have 3 cars approaching this roundabout, and as you might have already noted, car A is already circulating in the roundabout. There are some key road rules that we have to note in order to navigate a roundabout safely. The first one is to slow down as you approach the roundabout, then yield to vehicles already circulating in the roundabout. Car A is already circulating in the roundabout, so it's safe to say that it has the right of way at this intersection. Another rule states that a vehicle can enter the roundabout when there's a safe gap in traffic. Car B will be the vehicle to take advantage of that road rule, seeing how there's quite a considerable amount of safe distance between it and the circulating car A, so it will enter the roundabout ahead of the circulating car A. This is because there's enough safe distance between the 2 cars which allows car B to safely enter the circulating without affecting or impeding the movement of the already circulating car, which in this case is car A. So basically car B can afford to enter the circulation ahead of car A, but do you think car C can do the same? Absolutely not. And this is because of that safe gap we were talking about. Notice how these car A and car C are so close to each other that if car C is to enter, it will disrupt the smooth circulation of car A. So basically, car C can only enter the circulation after car A has passed. So car C is definitely the last car to go at such an intersection. There you have it, guys. I surely hope my explanations were clear and you just became a safer, knowledgeable driver by watching this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like and share this video with your friends and family. Till we meet again, goodbye.